Hey everybody, I'm back. Okay, I am sauteing about a half an onion with some olive oil, and the good one. I have cubed my 2 London broil. All I did was salt and pepper this. Okay, whoops, get back here. Look, I got so much meat for about half the price if I had gotten the regular stew meat. So, let this continue sauteing. And I just put it right back on the side of the plate. I hate doing dishes. So, now, just toss it in. Let it saute. Ah, get over here. Okay, so, and just, I have the heat on high, and then saute the meat with the onions. And this will take about a minute or so, all right? So just to get the flavor, and I have cubed about 3 pounds of potatoes. You can put as much or as little as you want. I did leave 1 potato whole. I'll show you what I do with that. I have about 6 stalks of carrots and a 1-pound pack of mushrooms that I sliced. I have a half a can of the Cento plum tomatoes that I have just squished with a fork, all right? And this is all you do. Watch this, all right? Make sure, now, see, it's all nice and squished. Put that in, scrape that all off. Okay, and let that cook again for another minute or so. And here, oh, it's stuck to the bottom of the paper. And about half a cup of red wine. Listen, if you're not going to drink it, then don't use it, because that's my philosophy. All right? Now, I have about 2 stalks of celery. I use just the leaves. I don't use the whole celery stalk. All right? So, and then more salt. You got to salt as you go, because you want flavor. All right? And then a little bit less than 1/4 of a teaspoon. I don't like a lot, but it's just that little bit of flavor. All right? Now, throw all the veggies in. You don't have to use mushroom if you don't like them. I've also done it with peas and the carrots and potatoes, whatever veggies you like. You can throw string greens in it. Doesn't really matter. Now, this I just throw whole, because as it cooks, I take it out and I smash it to thicken it. Because that's, again, there go all the potatoes. Now, just cover it with water. Put a lid. Slow for about 1.5 hours. And when you come back, I'll show you what it looks like. See you in a little bit. Bye.